Stomach, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Wow, we are moving through these series quickly. This is our fourth presentation on the digestive system. At the end of this series, the Health Ministry will send out a quiz to ensure that our boys and girls learn something about their bodies. Also, so they can tell someone about how our body works and reacts to the intake of food. We are going to talk about the stomach, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. I am excited to tell you about these organs. So may I have your attention, please? The stomach. The stomach is a large, muscular sac that is located on the left side of the abdominal cavity, the belly. Normally, the stomach is about the size of our fist placed next to each other. This major organ acts as a storage tank for food so that the body has time to digest big meals properly. The stomach also contains acid and enzymes, watery forms, that continue the digestion of foods that began in the mouth. The accessory organs, the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. All of these organs assist with the breakdown of food. The liver. The liver is a roughly triangular accessory organ of the digestive system, located to the right of the stomach. The liver is the second largest organ in the body. The liver has many different functions in the body, but the main function of the liver in digestion, it is to produce bile and secretes it into the small intestine. The gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small pear-shaped organ located just behind the liver. The gallbladder is used to store and recycle excess bile from the small intestine so that it can be reused for the digestion of meals. The pancreas is a large gland located just lower and behind the stomach. It is about 6 inches long and shaped like short, lumpy snake with its head connected to the first part of the small intestine, and its tail pointing to the left wall of the abdominal cavity. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes, watery forms, into the small intestine to complete the smaller molecules' digestion of food. What's next? The very long, narrow tube found in our belly, called the small intestine. Stay tuned. Who has come to Sabbath school? Sing the song and say Damali has. Who has come to Sabbath school? Damali, Damali. Who has come to Sabbath school? Damali has. We are happy to see you on this Sabbath day.